Hey guys, today I thought I'd show you how to make a BLT with avocado and pickles. Pretty exciting. The avocado just takes it to the next level, and so does the way we roast the bread. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of mayonnaise, some orange, we're gonna add a little bit of orange zest to that. We're also gonna add a little bit of the juice. We don't need to cut the whole orange, we're just gonna take a little wedge out. We only need a teaspoon of orange juice. Orange juice goes straight in. Give that a mix. You could do the same thing with lemon or lime. Now we're going for the bread. So I mean, you could use sourdough. I just use a big fat white loaf of bread with seeds on it. It's entirely up to you, but I do like the texture of the seeds. Just over 1/2 inch slices. A little bit of heat going here. We're gonna take some of this mayonnaise. You're gonna go, what? So the mayonnaise goes on the inside and the outside. So now because we have the orange in there, and the orange juice, it'll caramelize. So we're actually gonna put that directly into a hot pan. Mayonnaise goes down, we wait for a sizzle. We want this to caramelize and go slightly golden brown. So over here I have some Dassonia maple glazed streaky bacon. So I've just set it on a rack and roasted it in the oven so the fat renders out. The maple flavor is just so intense right now. Now I've got some of Perfection Fresh's Kumatos, which are really delicious, rich, dark, very, very mysterious tomatoes. A little bit of salt goes straight over top of that. The salt gets them throwing some of their moisture already. And as you can see, golden, that goes down. Now it's just a matter of layering. So I'm using lettuce here. When you get it, you trim the base, you take off any outside leaves, but sometimes you might find a leaf or two that has dirt on the inside, or it's a bit torn. Don't throw that out. This is delicious in stir fries. There's no need to waste the lettuce. Put it through a soup. The most expensive thing in your fridge is the next thing you throw out. We've got our lettuce, we're gonna take our tomatoes, which we've lightly salted. We're gonna take a couple of pieces of the Dassonia maple glazed streaky bacon. Now for our avocado. And then top it off with 3/3 spreadable pickles. Straight on top. Let's go a little bit more of that mayo. And there you have the best BLT this side of the stump. Look at that. Ozharvest needs your help right now. There are way too many Aussies who are food insecure right now. And so with your help, by you donating, you can contribute to help feeding these people. So every dollar that you donate, you can connect one person to 2 meals. Hashtag here for hope.